Hey everybody, we are going to be doing a review of Novae Money today. Novae Money is a partner with Credit Suite, so they have to charge even more than Credit Suite to make the company profitable in the business credit building sector. Why would you not create your own software and offer a cost benefit to your customers? Obviously, you can build business credit, but a lot of times when people are selling this, it's a pipe dream, right? And they're trying to just get you on their program. They are not a direct lender, they are just a middleman that tells you what to do. It is not an automated program, it is do-it-yourself program. It is not using smart contracts with blockchain technology to guarantee you a loan. The technology is very primitive, and you are paying for basically a course that is telling you what to do. They are just giving you information and showing you lenders that you can find anywhere online. In our program, you can get all of this information for free. We actually have a free program and free mobile app and software that shows you everything that is in their program. While the information is valuable if you are a beginner, it should be free for anyone to consume. If you ever need help with any of this, you can reach out to us as well. Be safe, talk to you soon. Build business credit in the Metaverse and earn free business crypto for business services. Own a custom Metaverse where you can offer business services, loans, and much more. You can give us a call at 888-503-8298 or email us at info@nerolendingjing.com.
Interested in owning your own custom Metaverse? Start your new business today and offer business services such as website design, toll-free numbers, and much more. Use our next-level blockchain technology in your Metaverse to offer NFT, business crypto, virtual concerts, advertising space to advertisers, play-to-earn games, and virtual shopping experience. Join Kylie Jenner, Mark Cuban, and many more with your own custom Metaverse today. Contact info@nerolendingjing.com or give us a call at 888-50-88298.
Are you tired of getting turned down for business loans and credit? Get a 100% guaranteed approval business crypto hybrid loan that does not require a personal guarantee or any business credit with Nera Lending. Business crypto hybrid loans can be used toward advertising, software development, marketing, and much more. Give us a call today at 888-503-8298 or visit our website nerolendinginc.com.
Advertise your business in Business Crypto World Sci-Fi Metaverse. Reach business owners looking for your products and services. Get $100 in free advertising with Nera Lending. You can also have your own sci-fi metaverse and offer loans, lines of credit, business services, games, and much more. You can contact us at 888-503-8298 or email us at info@nerolendingjing.com.